Okay, can you both see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in today's class, we have to make letter animation. Okay, today's lesson is letter animation, and we are going to make this. Okay, when I will click on the green flag, just see what is happening. Can you see it? That what is happening?
Yes, sir.
This is letter animation. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to make this. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, can you both see my screen now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I'm going to do the letter animation of my name. Okay, and when I will
Okay.
and when the class will be the lesson will be completed, then you both have to do letter animation of your names. Okay. All right. So first of all, for letter animation, we don't need this sprite here, so we will just delete it. Okay. And then we will go in the sprites. We will go to add a sprite. Okay. And then we will go to the letters. My name is Ammar. Okay. So my name contains AMMAR. Okay. So I am going to get my name's letters. Okay. First of all, we have to take the first letter of our name. My name starts with A. So I'm going to select this sprite A. Okay. And then what we have to do that we will go in its costumes. Okay. We will go in its costumes. All right. After we go to this letter costume, what we have to do that we have to add more costumes in it. Okay, because it is there are no costumes in this letter, so we are going to add costumes. If you want to add a sprite, you have to click on this button. Okay, and if you want to add more costumes in a sprite, you have to click on this button. Okay, do you both have any confusion till here? Do you have any
No.
confusion? Okay, now I have to select more letters.
No.
Okay, now I have to select more letters for my name. Okay, so after A, M comes in my name. So I will click on this button and you can see that there is written choose a costume. This means that when we will click on this button, we can add more costumes in this sprite. Okay, so I will click on this button and then we will go to the letters again and I will select M. Okay. Now we have A. Now we have M. I need one more M. So instead of adding one more M, what I can just simply do, I can just duplicate this. Okay. So now I have one A, two M. Okay. And then I need one more A. So I can just simply duplicate this A. Okay. And I will drag this to its position that A, M, M, A. Now I need the last letter, which is R. So I will go on the costumes. I will go in the letters and I will pick the R. Okay. Do you both have any type of question or confusion till here? Spoke me?
No.
All right. Now
Yes.
all my letters are completed. A, M, M, A, R. Okay, I have all the letters which I needed. Now what we have to do that we have to make another costume in which my full name is written. Okay, because these are just single letters. Now I want to make a costume at the last which contains my full name. Okay, so what we will do now, we will not click on this. Okay, we will just click on the paint from here. Okay, now we, after clicking on paint, you can see that we got the empty page for working. Okay, so now what we will do, that I want all the letters here, that my name should be here. So what we will do, that we will go in the first letter, okay, and then from the selection tool, I will first of all select this and I will click on group. Why I'm grouping them? Because if I don't group them and if I try to move them, then all the items will be separated. Okay. That's why, first of all, we have to select this by selection tool. Then we have to group this and then we have to click on copy. After clicking on copy, we will go in the empty costume and I will click paste here. Okay. I need
Okay.
I need 2A. So I will paste A 2 times. Okay. Then I need 2M. So I will just select this whole M. I will click on group and I will click on the copy to copy this. And I will paste the M 2 times here. A M M A. Now which letter do I need?
R.
Well done. I need R. So I will click on this R. Okay. And I will select this R. I will group it and I will copy it. And I will go in my empty costume and I will click on the paste. Now I will put this here. Okay. Do you both have any confusion till here?
Okay.
Do you have any confusion?
Yes. No.
Okay. Hassan, do you have any confusion? All right. Now we will go in the code. Okay, now we have to code this. You can see that we have just added costumes in it. There is only one sprite here and we have all costumes in it. Okay, now I want to code. Now I want that when I click on the green flag, the letter should change. How the letter will change? The letter will change when I will code for the next costume, because this letter contains my different letters costume. Okay, so I will go in the events and I will pick when green flag clicked. Okay, when green flag clicked, I will go in the control. I will use the forever block. Okay, and what I will do forever, and I will go in the looks and I will use the next costume block here. Okay, now when I will click on this, you can see that our costumes are changing, but
Yeah.
what is happening, that they are changing way too fast. Okay, so now if I want to slow them down, so what we will use, we will go in the control and we will use the wait block here. Okay,
Okay.
we will pick the wait block and I will put it inside the forever block. Now what our code is, that when green flag click forever, wait 1 seconds, next costume. Now when I will click on the green flag, it will wait for 1 second and then it will change its costume. Now you can see that after A, there is only one M coming. Can you see it?
Yes.
Why it is happening? It is happening because my both M are of the same size and are of the same color. So if I want to change, look them different, so what I can do, I can simply change the color of it. of a 1M. Okay, I can change the color of 1M. I can put it like it. Okay, now if I will click on the green flag, now it's changing.
Yes.
Now we can see the difference that we have two M's here.
Yes.
Okay, or what we can else do, we can just simply increase the size of our sprite. Okay, how we can increase the size of our sprite, our costume from here? We will use the selection tool. We will select, first of all, we will group this. Okay, after grouping, we will just click on this and we will increase it. Okay, now if I will click on the green flag, you can see that our letter size is also changed and the
Yes.
color is also changed. Okay,
Okay.
now we have a problem here. What is the problem? That I want, whenever I click on the green flag, my name, our letter animation should start from the first letter of my name. But you can see that when I will click on the green flag, instead of starting from the first letter, it is just continuing the animation where it was just last stopped. Can you see it?
Yes.
That when I will click on it, it is not coming back on my first letter. I want that when I click on the green flag, letter animation should start from the first letter. So if I want to do that, I will go in the looks. Okay. And can you see that there is a block switch costume?
Yes.
I will use this block under the when green flag click. Okay. When green flag click, switch costume to costume one. Costume one, if you will click on this, you can see that our there are many names. Okay, all these names are the names of our different letters costumes. Okay, so if I want that when I click on the green flag, the letter animation should start from the first letter, so I will go on costumes and I will check the what is the name of the first letter. The name of the first costume is Glow A. If you want to change the name, you can just click on it. You can just change it from here. Okay. Now I will use that when green flag click switch costume to A. Okay. A is the first letter of my name. You can see that it's this name is A, this name is Glow M, this name is Glow M2, Glow A2, Glow R, costume 1. Okay, so I will put that when green flag click, switch costume to A, which is my first letter of the animation. And forever, wait 1 second. We are using the wait block here because to slow the speed of the animation. And then next costume. Next costume block means that if you use this block, it will change the costume of your sprite to the next costume. Okay. Do you both have any confusion till here?
No.
Okay. We have used forever. Okay. Forever means हमेशा के लिए. ओके तो अगर हम लोग अपना कोड देखें तो क्या है कि व्हेन ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक, जब हम ग्रीन फ्लैग पे क्लिक करें, स्विच कॉस्ट्यूम टू ए, लेट जो स्प्राइट है उसका कॉस्ट्यूम स्विच कर दो ए पर. फॉर एवर, हमेशा के लिए. वेट 1 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड के लिए वेट करो. एंड नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम मीन्स जो उसके अगला कॉस्ट्यूम है उस पे चले जाओ. ठीक है.
Okay.
डू यू both have any confusion or question, you can ask me.
No.
All right. Now if I want to add a backdrop in it, I can just simply go in the backdrops and I can just simply use any backdrop I like. Okay, if I like this backdrop, I can choose this. If I like this, I can choose this. Okay, now when I will click on the green flag, first of all, the costume will be switched to A, that switch costume to A, then forever, wait 1 second, and then next costume. Now, if I will click on the green flag, it will start from the first letter. Okay, now if I will again click on the green flag, it will again come on the first letter. Okay.
Okay.
Do you both have any confusion till here?
No.
Any questions?
No.
All right. Now I am stop sharing my screen. Okay. And now you both have to do the same letter animation, but with your own name. Okay.